Hello and welcome to Your Portuguese. Everyone knows that the day is divided into three main parts: the morning, the afternoon and the night, right? Or at least most of people consider it like this. Consequently, we may say that in most of languages people need to express themselves about it. Thinking of it, we have decided to teach you how to say good evening and good night in Portuguese, once it tells a very important thing in this language. In Portuguese, both good evening and good night are summarized into one single expression, and it is boa noite. Boa noite, or literally good night. That means that you may use boa noite both when you arrive and when you leave a place, regardless the time of the arrival and of the departure. Wasn't it easy? Now you can wish a good night to someone who you know and who speaks Portuguese. Good luck! If you think this video was useful for you, share it on your social medias and help other people to learn Portuguese as well. Show us some love too, leaving your like on the video, and if you have some suggestion or constructive criticism, leave it in the comments area.